Because COVID test at certain points may not be available. Many doctors or many healthcare workers may get confused with symptomatology of enteric fever, that is typhoid, with COVID-19. Many symptoms are common with typhoid and COVID, like very weakness and fever, continuous fever, neutropenia. These things may kind of ask people to go for Vidal test, which is very less sensitive and less specific type of test, and it can give just a pseudo confidence of getting a diagnosis done, and that diagnosis is wrong when it is a pandemic. At this moment we are in the pandemic of COVID-19, and any fever, any body ache, any URI or respiratory tract infections, we should first consider COVID rather than any other disease. Typhoid is not a common disease at all right now because of very good protective measures people are taking. This can just mislead people. This can just mislead to a wrong treatment and a pseudo confidence of making a diagnosis. So it is important that COVID-19 testing facilities are made available even in rural areas. And if these facilities are available, then chances of getting misdiagnosis of this thing can be reduced to a certain extent. At the same time, we healthcare workers or health agencies need to be careful about not asking for these type of less specific and less sensitive tests like Vidal. If typhoid or enteric fever at all is considered, then blood culture is the test that should be done. Vidal has lot of cross reactivity, and just because of an easily available test, we cannot afford to miss the diagnosis of COVID-19. That is more important at this point of time. Although again, there is no reason to get too panic even if COVID is positive or COVID-19 is positive, because currently in most of the patients our outcomes are better. Number is too much, that's why overall deaths are more, but when we come to percent at individual level, then overall chances of mortality or risk of mortality is less than we had been seeing before. But obviously, because this is very highly transmissible strain right now, so overall number is too high.
Right. So interesting point about, the fear factor of testing positive for COVID. In fact, I was reading one of the reports that said people are actually relieved if they test positive for typhoid because they just don't want to test positive for COVID, and they're happy to go ahead and think of themselves